Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'll be visiting a Dollarama shop. It's very near to me here. So actually the lockdown is open now currently. So all the shops are open except malls. And yeah, but this is what I actually wanted to buy some basic stuff, something like mat and all. So I'm just visiting it. You guys come along with me. Stay tuned. Bye. Here we enter the shop. Actually, nowadays you can find the sanitizer in every shop. Before moving inside, you have to sanitize your hand and then touch the basket or trolley or something. This store has a two floor. The upper one had a kitchen, bath, hair, skin accessories, and the lower one had a plastic accessories and home decor and some stationery such as books and all. So yes, here comes the kitchen accessories like knife, stand and many more, which was costing around $1 to $4. Looking at this, I just remembered the market in India, that is a 99 market. You can find that market in every corner of the malls nowadays in India. So that was one of my good to go shop in India. Now I found this Dollarama. I was very fond of decorating a home actually. So what I used to do is whenever I has to have a time, I just used to go to the Dollarama shop, the 99 market shop, and get some flower or some vase or some home decor baskets or something. So yes, you can even find the detergents and soap bars and chips or some beverages, everything here. But I don't suggest you to buy any eating or drinking stuff here. You can buy that from Walmart or some other shops. You can just go for the things like home decor or basic cleaning stuff from this shop. So yes, now I'm moving to the ground floor. Actually, I took a mat and some decors from here, which was costing me around $4. So it was a Canada Day, so we can see a lot of stuffs related to that, almost costing us $1 to $4. So there are mugs, there are caps, there are hats. You can find a lot of stuffs in this. Let's move to the other stuffs such as hair accessories, comb, roller clips and bands can be found here as well. Even use and throw plates, then spoons and some kids toys can be also found here. So it found for the cost of $1 to $3. You can look at this image. It's like very pretty looking dolls and toys can be found here. These are the paper bags. You can find it. You can just put in the gift in there and just take it along with you. You don't need a wrapping for this. It was also costing around $1. And here comes the card were also costing us $1. It was actually a greeting card, so it's just for $1. Coming to the electronics, you can buy here that too, but never know the quality and warranty. Actually, I got a mouse pad in Amazon that was costing me around $6 to $10, but I found it here for a $1. So it was a good deal for to get the mouse pad here. Of course, the quality differs. There are a lot of the other stuffs as well. You can find diaries and books and pen, pencil, whatever it is, like files and all here as well. So yep, the toys, kids toys were very much over there, so you can find them everywhere. So it was a good deal. It was costing us from $3 $4. And coming to the showpieces, you can just look at the images. There were a lot of showpieces which was around $6 $4. Depends on the product. So yes, this is about the stuffs, and there are some gardening stuffs, cute looking basket for gardens and some other things can be also seen here. So this shop is a good to go shop. So this looks very reasonable with the price, but the quality is little lagging behind. This is good to go shop for buying a home decor, cleaning stuff and some other things, but not for the food items. So I would suggest, if you want to buy something and when you are a new person in Canada, Dollarama is a huge chain in Canada, so you can find this shop everywhere in your city. So it will hardly cost you around $1 to $5. You can buy anything you want in this money here. So it was something like a 99 market in India, as I mentioned earlier. So you can just go ahead and check it out. So yes guys, this is about the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.